Welcome to version 717 of Spectrum Protect's Operations Center. In this video, we'll show how you can utilize Amazon S3 Cloud Storage Pool containers. To add a container storage pool, go to Storage, Storage Pools, click on the plus storage pool. You'll want to name the cloud container. This will be an off-premise cloud. We're going to create an Amazon S3. You'll type in your Amazon S3 username and password. You'll then select the region that you utilize to connect to your Amazon S3 cloud. And this will automatically populate the URL. Starting in this version, you will be prompted to add a cloud cache, and cloud cache temporarily stores the data before it is pushed out to the cloud. And this helps with performance by maximizing the amount of data we push out to the cloud. The directory does need to exist, and the directories must be read-write accessible by the TSM instant user. If you enter an incorrect or bad directory name, it will say the directory does not exist or you don't have read permissions. Or if you enter a directory that's already being utilized by another container storage pool, it will show an error for that as well. Okay, we've successfully created an Amazon S3 Cloud Container Storage Pool. Here's our new container. If we want to look at the details, we can click on Details. Inside the detail screen, you will see the capacity that's used over the last 2 weeks, as well as the activity over those 2 weeks, showing the amount of data that was pushed out to the cloud or the amount of data that was retrieved from the cloud. If we go into the Properties table, here you could change the access, or if you had entered an incorrect username for the cloud, you could alter that here or alter the URL. Now, one thing to note that when we create an Amazon S3 cloud, we do not initially try to connect to the cloud and make sure all your credentials are okay. So if you did enter something incorrectly, this is where you would correct that. Inside of the Directories tab, you'll see the directory that we added for the cloud cache. If you wanted to add an additional directory, you could easily add a second directory. So in summary, in version 717, you now have the ability to create an Amazon S3 off-premise cloud container storage pool. Thank you.